Hey everybody, it's Flatbread Friday, and today we are going to make some sort of I guess we'll call it a Tuscan pizza. I found these tiny little artichoke hearts, petite artichoke hearts, a big can of them, and we're gonna make a pizza out of that. Some roasted red peppers, some roasted garlic, and some other stuff, and let's do it. Okay, so we're gonna start with one of those artisan pizza crusts that I buy from Misfits Market. And instead of a sauce, what we're going to do is take some garlic, roasted garlic that I just made, and that's going to be our sauce. We're going to rub that all over this crust as a sauce. We're just going to crush it down, rub it around, and we'll show you when it's done. Okay, our roasted garlic is smashed all over our crust, and you can salt and pepper that if you choose, but when I make the roasted garlic, I use a fair amount of salt and pepper and some roasted red pepper, crushed red pepper flake. And so now we're going to start topping this guy. And the first thing we're going to do is sprinkle our roasted garlic with some fresh herbs from my garden. This is oregano and basil, and it's roughly chopped, but it's going to make it really flavorful. And the next thing we're going to do is our cheese. I'm going to start with some mozzarella and sprinkle that around all the way out to the edges. I had some cherry tomatoes in my garden, so this is going to be the tomato part of our pizza. Just sprinkle a few of those, just random. Our tomatoes are down. Next comes our artichoke hearts. I took those little baby artichoke hearts and cut them in half. And these I'm not going to sprinkle. I'm going to organize them around so that they present well, and you get one in every slice. Our artichoke hearts are arranged, and next from Misfits Market I buy these roasted red peppers. They're amazing. So we're gonna kind of just put some slivers all over the place. Whoops, stuck together. Our roasted red peppers are down, and the next thing we're going to do is sprinkle some crumbled feta over top. And what goes better with these ingredients than some toasted pine nuts or peyote nuts? And I'm just going to finish this pizza with some of these nuts. Okay, our Tuscan style pizza is now assembled. That's a lot of toppings, and it's beautiful, and it's going in the oven at 400 degrees, and it's probably going to take 20 to 25 minutes, maybe even a little longer because of the excessive toppings, but we'll see what it looks like when it comes out. Here's our Tuscan style pizza right out of the oven, and it is looking fabulous. Lots of veggies, healthy and colorful. And let's look at it from this angle. We can get it up closer. How beautiful is that? I tripped you. Oh, don't slide. Hold on to that. Okay, there it is. And we are about to slice it and serve it. Here it is, served up for Friday supper, and garnished it with a little bit of basil, and it is really good. I had to taste it while I was cutting it because, you know, that's what I do. So we're just showing it around and around. This is our Tuscan style veggie pizza, and it's going to be real good. And we'll see you again next Friday, and maybe even sooner than that. I want to thank you for joining me for Flatbread Friday. This is an amazing pizza, and it's loaded with stuff, and those little pine nuts on top are really just making me drool. Looks like I'm going to lose that piece of feta off the end, but anyway, that's a better, whoa, there goes something. That's a better shot, and we are going to eat it up and enjoy it, and I appreciate you joining me for Flatbread Friday, and I got some good stuff coming along next, so we'll see you soon.